Successful individuals understand the importance of clarity when it comes to their priorities. They recognize that time is their most valuable asset, and to achieve ultimate success, they must focus their time and energy on what truly matters. The first step towards this is identifying their core values. They take the time to understand what drives them and what their long-term goals are. By doing so, they establish a solid foundation to effectively prioritize their tasks. Creating a realistic daily to-do list is the next crucial step. Successful people understand that overwhelming themselves with an excessive number of tasks is counterproductive. Instead, they focus on 3 to 5 key tasks each day that align with their goals. This approach prevents them from feeling overwhelmed and ensures they stay on track. Another important aspect is eliminating distractions. Successful individuals have mastered the art of saying no. They understand the value of their time and protect it like gold. Whether it's social media, unnecessary meetings, or negative influences, they cut them out of their lives. Regularly reviewing progress is a habit that successful people adopt. They constantly assess whether their daily actions are aligned with their long-term vision. If necessary, they make adjustments to course correct. Prioritization is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that requires continuous evaluation. By prioritizing like a boss, individuals can harness their energy and achieve the success they desire. Follow these steps and witness the transformative power of strategic prioritization. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more invaluable tips on achieving your goals. Thank you for watching.